guys, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this AC heater control unit here. It's malfunctioning. This knob is no longer good, making my AC not work, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little plastic spatula here. Get it from the bottom. This comes right up. Get it from the bottom. Comes right up. Just clip-ons. Got to remove those clips. 1mm bolts. There goes one. Ooh, two. Three. Four. Remove this fifth bolt here. This whole bottom piece needs to be clipped off away because there's a little groove right there that attaches to this plastic that doesn't let it release. You can remove this. It's just a clip-on. That comes off easy. So once I remove this one will come out. Alright, so as I push this down, this groove right here, I was able to access and push down. And then from here, I got these little clips that were attached to my radio. So I had to push it down and then pull it out. So and then this unit, and then also I had to remove the shift knob here so this little clip can release. So once I was able to pull it out, it's very easy. It's just a piece of plastic with the AC vents. You just take off these little clips and attach it to the new one. I just bought a used one from eBay. Here, same exact thing, it's just used. But I've been having good luck with eBay parts, so I bought a used one.